Hey YouTube, how you doing? Kid Zippo here. We got a little unboxing video for you today. I've been doing some shopping. I was disappointed at the last gun show, so I had to order these online. Yes, I know, transfer fees, all that stuff. Yeah. But I think I have done another one as far as AR pistols go. And I'll try not to slap the table because, see, it makes my camera shake. So, before we go any further, I just got my first magazine today, and I've already read about half of it. So, unfortunately, that's about all I'll be sharing with you as far as that goes. I still haven't, contacted them or anybody. So, what we have today, do you recognize the box? This is from Palmetto State, because they always send a sticker. And this is their Shockwave lower. Now, I haven't even taken the, off it. Let's see, what does it say here? Shockwave Technologies Blade Pistol Stabilizer. I don't know how many positions it actually has, but the set screw for it is right here. So, I don't know, I'm kind of liking it right there, though. And there's not a whole lot of writing on this. It doesn't have the, Palmetto State cannons or anything on it anywhere. Just got a little bit of writing right here, and that's it. Besides your fire and safe on the other side, and that's it. Basic safety. Nothing. It was one of their daily deals. I got it for $129 with free shipping. So, I really like the size of that buffer tube there. That's impressive. Anyway, to go with it, guess where I went? They didn't send me any stickers, though. They'll sit that there. Put the box over it, for it, whatever you want to call it, right over here. And you can't really see where this comes from. Oh, wait a minute. Maybe they did send me a sticker. I didn't even open the... Okay, come on. Gotta be a little smarter than the packing slip, right? And they did. They sent me a sticker from Bear Creek Arsenal. Hey, look at that. Nice big green. That'll go good on the war chest. And this is their 7.62 by 3.9, 7.5 inch side charging upper. See? No charging handle on the back. Nice. And it's got the... I can't take the bolt out unless I take the handle out, which I could, but right now I just want to see how this thing fits together. I got this. Does it give you a price or anything on here? Probably not. Just a UPS packing label. But this was $219. I could have got the same thing with a top charger for like $20 lower, but I wanted the side charger. Because depending on how this works, I may switch out the side charger for my Kami AR rifle. So, just take the top charger, put it on this one. But I don't know. We'll see. I've seen oop, pops right out. I've seen a couple of them that, you know, they were trying them out and they didn't want to cycle. But anyway, I'll find that out, and so will you when I take it to the range. Oh, yep, I'm going to have to straighten that out. So, bear with me while I grab a pair of pliers. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I went and got the, if you notice, I went and got the channel locks. But if you notice here, the plug has got a flat spot right here. So I suppose that's got to be, you know, flat down there to lock in. So, that up. We'll do it this way so I can see what I'm doing. You think I had chewed the hell out of that knurling on there. But that's alright. Alright, start it there. And back it out a half turn. I guess that's the only way I'll be able to do it. Okay, so. There we go. And it's in. I can see a little daylight in there. I don't know if you'll be able to see it or not, but I can see just a little bit of daylight in there. Not a lot of play. That under my arm. And yeah, that's good. Alright, I also went and bought some of these 20 round mags. They're from C Products, you know, the Duramags. That's the 10 rounders I bought were the same brand, and they work perfect. So now, hole open on the last round. Not too bad. Slaps. Trigger seems good. Safe. Ooh, look at that. Drops right on out of there. Yeah. Gonna have to change out the finger guard though. Trigger guard, whatever you want to call it. And I really like the old style grip. Because it just fits right where it's supposed to be. Yep. But yeah, there we go. And, well, I should say the gun show wasn't a total loss last weekend. I did, oh, there it goes. I hit the release. Yep. I did pick up here we go. They are the QF USB or BUS Trinity Force high strength steel hardware. Flip down pivot, low profile BUS. They even came with a little handy dandy little Allen wrench there. So let's go ahead and put them bad boys on there. See if I can get the package open. Just remember, gotta be smarter than the package. And when it comes down to being smarter than the package, well, you can use your own determination on that one. Alright, there's my Allen wrench. There's my rear sight. Looks like it's just set for windage. But it's not button activated, it's just spring loaded, push up, pop down. And oh yeah, I also bought a front sight adjustment tool. So, just so you know. Yep. Pop up, pop down. So, let's put the front sight on first. Just because, hey, I got it in my hand. Pops right up. I think some white paint on this will bring everything up and it'll be good. And I can pick that up pretty easy the way it is as long as it's a light color. I might not adjust that blade at all. That looks pretty good there. Okay, safe's on. Pop these down. Like I said, I might put a red dot or something on it later, but right now I think it's good. And let's see. $129 and free shipping with the lower, or $229 for the upper, $119 for the lower and free shipping. Shipping on the upper was $7. My glasses are a little, but let's see. So we're looking at a 7.62 by 3.9 AR pistol for under $400, right around $375. And let's see, put on the sights, you're still under $400. So, you know, hopefully this one performs just as well as the other one did. And drop the mag. Because I trust Bear Creek. I really do. This is only the second upper I've bought from them, but after that first one ran flawless with a PSA lower, I was like, yeah. So, when I get it out to the range, you'll be the first to see it. Well, after I edit the video anyway. Yep. If you look hard, you can always find it. Oh, and if you're looking for a 7.62 by 3.9, they just got the Tula 100 round packs in at Palmetto State. 100 rounds for $20.99. So I'm about to go and order 5 more boxes. So, as far as I can tell, this is ready to take to the range. And I'm ready to go there because the last few days it's been 40, 50, 60 degrees. Yeah, I'm ready. Winter hasn't been that hard, but you know what? I still miss that sound. Love that sound. All right, this. Hope you enjoyed this. Like, share, subscribe, and remember, pick up your brass.